Now finally we'll see the comparison of SI and CI engine. There are many points where we can differentiate the SI and CI engine. The spark ignition engine mainly have the gasoline fuel like petrol. The CI engine are having the fuel like diesel. Now there are many differences like their working. Suppose we have to create the ignition in the spark ignition engine, we have to provide the spark. In case of compression ignition engine, we need the fuel injector to initiate the combustion. Now there are many points of comparison. We'll start with the thermodynamic cycle. In case of SI engine, the Otto cycle is the basic on which the SI engine work. Theoretically, SI engines are more efficient. But if we see, its actually efficiency is less. Okay, theoretically the efficiency is very high, but actually it is less. In case of diesel engine, if we check, the theoretically its efficiency is less, but in actual its efficiency is more. So this is about the thermodynamic cycle. Now next point is the combustion phenomena. Okay, so in case of SI engine, we know that the homogeneous mixture is provided in the combustion chamber and the air fuel ratio is nearly constant for all loads. The quantity is governed in case of SI engine, whereas in CI engine, the mixture is heterogeneous because we know that the quantity of air remains same, but the quantity of fuel is varied. The air fuel ratio varies considerably with the load, and it is the quality governed engine. The quality of the mixture is changing and not the quantity. Now, the next point of comparison is the compression ratio. Very crucial point, the compression ratio, because in case of SI engine, to avoid the tendency of detonation, the compression ratio should be low. Therefore, the compression ratio in case of SI engine is kept in a range of 10 is to 1, whereas the compression ratio in the CI engine should be higher to avoid the knock. So it may be 15 is to 1 to 18 is to 1. In many of the engine, it can go up to 20 is to 1 also. The operating pressure in SI engine, the compression pressure is from 7 to 15 bar. The maximum pressure may be up to 50 bar. In case of CI engines, the compression pressure vary from 30 to 50 bar and the maximum can be up to 70 bar. In case of knock, in case of detonation, no doubt the pressure rises above the maximum pressure value also. The operating speed, all the SI engines are actually high speed engines and all the diesel engines or the CI engines are actually the low speed engines. Now the distribution of fuel between cylinder. So in case of SI engine, poor mixture distribution because of wall weighting effect, whereas in case of CI engine, the excellent mixture distribution calibrated. Okay, so supercharging. Supercharging of SI engine is limited by the detonation. Supercharging is used in aircraft engine. In CI engine, supercharging tend to prevent knocking. It is limited by thermal and mechanical stresses. Turbocharging is used in generation plant, commercial and army vehicles. Exhaust gas temperature. In case of SI engine, the exhaust gas temperature is much higher. Therefore, we are getting the low thermal efficiency. In case of CI engine, the exhaust temperature is comparatively lower. Starting. Now, SI engines are easier when we start them. Lesser cranking efforts are needed. Starting circuit in carburetor provides cold starting also. Now, CI engines are quite difficult to start due to the requirement of greater cranking effort to overcome the higher compression. Glow plug is required in cold weather for IDI engines. Now, lastly, we have gone through all the main point like compression ratio, the combustion phenomena, the power output, and the power output per unit displacement. So, the power output per unit displacement, the SI engine delivers almost 30 kilowatt per liter, whereas CI engine deliver 50 kilowatt per liter. Thank you.